Welcome back to Partickhill station. Another visit, a sort of short flying visit into George's trains, found these two signals. From what I understand, the one here is a home signal indicating stop or in the off position. And this one here would be a distance signal indicating you can proceed with caution. These are challenging to get an understanding of all the various signals, but you have to start somewhere. So we'll find a spot for them on the layout. Not sure if they'll be technically correct, but I'm sure some of you out there will be able to provide some guidance in that respect. But a nice little find and for a fair price, so we'll get it onto the railway now. So here we are at Partickhill station, and I've placed that signal here as the train is leaving the platform. It should proceed with caution. However, when it gets to this junction out here, it's being indicated that the train should stop. Now, I presume that is the correct terminology and location. So happens that I do have another signal here in the other direction, which is a stop signal. Anyway, I'd be interested to hear some simple explanations so that I get it to look right. So if you enjoyed this little video, please remember to give me the big thumbs up, and we'll catch you later here at Partickhill station. Bye now.